Hello, welcome to Siri Bytes. In this recording session, I'm going to explain a VLookup function. For this VLookup, I have two workbooks, which basically you can see it right here, working examples and data sheet split. Okay, so in this data sheet split, I have a symbol in column A, and I'm interested in column D, E, and F. Okay, D is 52 weeks range minimum, 52 weeks range maximum, and F column is open price. Okay, these are three are related to prices. And if I go to workbook working examples, then in this same I have in column A I have symbols, but I do not have the prices in here. Okay, so for that I want to bring prices from this workbook into data sheet workbook into working examples workbook. Okay, let's do that. For that, what I am doing is I want to have in column B that data. Column B, I am going to say just insert, and in here I want to say max price 52 max price. Okay, so for that, from here this sheet I want to bring the data. Okay, from column D I want to bring the data. Okay, so in that case I have to write a VLookup. Okay, there is a VLookup function. So go here, search for VLookup, okay, now double click on it, it will open like this. So VLookup value, so what is the VLookup value? So I want to, this is the VLookup value, A2 is the VLookup value. I want to look in table array. What is the table array? Table array is nothing but in what range of rows and columns you want to search the value of A2 in. Okay, so for that I'm selecting a different workbook. It can be either a sheet or a workbook. Okay, so, but here I'm searching a different workbook itself. So I'm selecting, see in the table array I selected this attribute and going to go to this sheet. Okay, and saying that column A all the way to D. Why did I select column A all the way to D? Okay, so first, whatever data that you are searching, lookup value that you are searching, you are saying that value should be searched in the first column of the entire table. The table is A to D. You inserted A to D is my table. That's what you're saying. And yes, but here it is important to know that the value whatever you are searching for, which is A2 in here, A2 cell value, you are searching in the first column. So it is a prerequisite that here that whatever value is searching in should be the first column in the entire table array you are searching in. And based on that, why did I select A to D? A to D because D is the row that I wanted the data from. That's the reason I said D. Okay, then this is A, B, C, D, right? Fourth column index, fourth, and it's exact match, it's always 0. Okay, this is the max price. Okay, and once I extend this formula to all the rows, okay, what did I do? Extend the formula to all the rows, okay, for this column. Then in that case, what happens is, see here it said A2, right? Cell A2, but here when you extend it, it's changed to cell A3. Okay, so similarly, when you extend the formula, it itself changed the cell references dynamically. So, and it bought all the values. Okay, that's important to note. And what I did say, I want to bring max, minimum price, and open price, right? So insert one more column, and I'm going to say 52 min price. Okay, in here I'm going to insert one more VLookup. Okay, in the VLookup I'm going to say the same, and table array. I'm going to go here and select. Now here, before I did that exercise for min range, now it is max range. Now the column index is A, B, C, D, E, fifth column, sorry, and 0. Okay, 0, because it is exact match. Okay, now this one is max range. Okay, I'm going to change the name max and min. Okay, so now I'm going to extend it to the entire rows of this sheet. Okay, now it auto filled it. Okay, now I'm going to insert one more, which is open price. Okay, for the open price, I'm going to insert one more VLookup function, which is basically VLookup and same A2 value. Table array is, I'm going to go to this sheet, and open is from first column I'm checking in, and column F is the one that I want to pick the values from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column. So I'm going to say 6th column index and 0. Okay, and press OK. This is the open price. Now I am extended to the entire rows. Okay, this is what it happened. Okay, the entire VLookup function. So please watch my subsequent video also. I'm going to do a HLOOKUP explanation in it. Okay, see you in the next video. Ring the notification bell. Signing off. Keep smiling and be away from trouble.